Ceramic Pro Paint Protection Film now has 5 variants in its full lineup. I want to explain them all to you so that you can decide which film is right for you. First, the Ultra Premium film, which bears the name Ceramic Pro PPF. That's a 12-year warranty film that's 8 mils thick. It comes ceramic coated straight out of the box. That makes it extremely glossy and extremely hydrophobic. It's also self-healing, which makes it perfect for your daily driver all the way up to your super luxury and exotic vehicle. Next is Ceramic Pro Urban. Ceramic Pro Urban is a 7-year warranted film that's 7.5 mils thick. It is hydrophobic and it does have self-healing. It's perfect for your daily drivers. Some people use it for their wholesale accounts, and it's also great on common wear and tear areas on virtually any vehicle. And finally, we have 2 color variants, a gloss black and a matte black. These films are both 7.5 mils thick and come with a 10-year warranty. They're both hydrophobic and both have self-healing properties. What's amazing about these films is you can restyle your vehicle totally or just accents. So again, for instance, if you had a white vehicle and you wanted it to be gloss black or matte black, you could wrap the whole car. But you could also choose to just wrap your mirrors or just wrap the hood. Whatever style you'd like to bring to your vehicle, these films are perfect for that. What's amazing about them is the clarity and the finish are very much paint-like, and oftentimes they look even better than OEM paint. So you can trust that your vehicle will look beautiful and be protected. So that's the full lineup of Ceramic Pro PPF. Have you decided which one is best for you? To learn more, check out ceramicpro.com.